Kids eat the watermelon. Get
So
it.
you're going to the movie tonight?
Watermelon.
Tonight is $20 card.
All done? You eat it all. You eat it all. It's a watermelon. You eat it all?
Okay, well, it sounds like you're getting ready to go, so what time you guys leaving?
Don't eat it all. Drop it.